Okay, now it's time to go ahead and set up the actual structure of the learning plan within the community. So we've got the community set up, we've loaded all of the video files, and the topic structures are in place right now. And you'll notice that we have all the right icons loaded in here. So the next thing we're going to do is actually set up the learning plan so it starts to show up in our learning plan feed. We do that by going into the admin panel of the actual community, going to learning plans, and you'll see we don't have one set up here, so we'll create a new learning plan. And the first thing we have to do is put the title of our learning plan here. What we have to do now is go to the translated documents and get the name of the learning plan. So I switched over to the folder with the files in it, and I'm going to find German. And the name of the actual learning plans are found in the Mission 1 checklist. So I'm going to open that file up right here. And in this particular case, in German, it doesn't translate well, so we're going to stick with Mission 1 Commercial Excellence. Just copy that. And we'll go back over to our screen and type it right here for the name of the learning plan. And again, we'll type it here again for the description. We then want to start adding the actual content to the learning plan under the Content tab. Now, I jumped out just for a second here because I noticed I had a bit of a problem, but I want to bring this up. So if we go back into the admin panel and go back into learning plans, I canceled out of that one, but I'm going to go ahead and try to create one just so you see this. And we'll go ahead and put those titles back in. And we'll go to content, and here's the issue that we have is Mission 1. If we start typing M1, it should pull up some files here, but let's try this again. So we want to pull up all topics, and what that has done is it's pulled up all the different topics in all the different languages. What we have to do is go back into the topic structure and rename those topics with the word German in the front so that it's a whole lot easier to find. So we'll just do that real quick. We won't save that. We'll go back into this community right here. We'll go under Topics, and we'll start with Mission 1 right here. And we'll have to edit this topic and put the word German right here in front of the title. And click Save. We're going to do this again for the other two. Okay, for the sake of time, I went back and renamed those two topics. So if we go back to this German community and pick on topics again, you'll notice that the names have been changed to German or up front. So we're going to try one more time now to go ahead and get this set up. Go back into the admin panel. We'll go back into learning plans. We'll create a new learning plan. Again, we'll put the title here and the title here. And the reason we have to keep putting the title in here is it won't let us save this until we start actually adding content. Now this is a little easier to do now because all I have to do is start typing German. And I want to find Mission 1 Learning Experience 1 first. I'm going to add that. Then I'm going to add Learning Experience 2 and then Learning Experience 3. Now I have my three topics are now assembled into a learning plan. And I'm going to go ahead here and click Save. So now we have our Mission 1 Commercial Excellence learning plan is established. If I go back to the home screen, you'll see that it's now here under Mission 1 Commercial Excellence. But you'll notice I can't tell which one this is. So we're going to go back into this learning plan one more time and edit it again. But we have to do it through the community, and we're going to add the word German to it. And to edit a learning plan, see this is Mission 1 Commercial Excellence right here. I'm going to click the little pencil icon, and then I'm going to put German here. Click Save. And then go home. And now you can see that it says Mission 1 Commercial Excellence German. You'll notice the ones that we have in French and Dutch and so forth. So now we can take a look at the learning plan, and you'll see where everything stands. All the icons are loaded, and you can see the three different learning experiences. So now that that's set up, we're going to go ahead and start adding some badges to the learning experiences.